Hey guys, welcome to my channel Awesome. So today we are going to talk about how to create an YouTube channel. First you want to log into your YouTube account. Then you select your icon. Then click on settings. Then you want to click on add or manage your channels. Now you want to click on create a channel. You can add a name to your channel and type it. And tick on this. Then you want to click create. After few minutes you can see your account was created. Now you can see the channel has been created. Thanks for watching my video.